In this, it's a very quick video. In this video, we'll learn that how to share the existing rule with the other user. So simply go to the if you have managed processing rule, it will show all the rules you have. You can see that my rules mean that you are whatever you have made. If you go to next tab, there will be no shared one. So if you shared means that other user in your organization can also use that one. Automated rules means that if any rules you have automated. So these are the different tabs. So what to share it, simply go to the rule. Like this is the rule we have. Simply go here and make it on. So it will appear here. So now anyone can use your rule as well. And one more thing, if you want to make a new rule, you can see the status as well. It's manual shared. If you want to make a new rule with slight difference, you simply again select the rule. You will come here, make a copy and change some name, like just add something if you want, and change anything different from the previous one, like the bank account, any description that, or the call. Mostly it is used for the call center, same account but different call center. So we can change a different call center and create. So we'll have another rule with different call center. But again, the challenge will be that if it is the same, then a system will confuse. So there should be a unique value, so a system can easily identify which rule to be applied. So that's it. And thank you so much for watching this video.